I'm going to go ahead and put this hour meter on this Craftsman M430. And for those of you who are looking to put an hour meter on your piece of equipment, I'll show you how I'm going to do it to this one, and you should be able to do it to yours. This can be put anywhere. It's just a matter of where you want to run the wire. So stick around and let's get right into it. I want to go ahead and take all this off so I have better access to the spark plug. I want to take these 3 nuts off the top of here with a 5/16 socket. Now I'm just going to lift this right here up. Now I have access to my spark plug wire, which I'm going to pull off. Now all I need to do is just wrap this anywhere on the plug wire. I'm going to wrap it around here real good. I'm going to put black tape around it, and then I'm going to put a cable tie on it. Okay, I got it all set up the way I want it. I'm going to stick this back through here. I'm going to stick this through here. Go ahead and plug my spark plug back in so it snaps, and put that under here. Slide this cover back on. I'm going to put the top back on. I'm going to make sure my Briggs & Stratton is oriented correctly. I'm going to go ahead and put my 5/16 nut back on there. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.